Progress.
Hello students, today in this video I'm going to talk about 4 graphs I have provided in homework number 2. So this graph is called supply and demand graph. Okay, now in the supply and demand graph, this Q means quantity, P means price. Now here S means supply curve, and we assume here supply is same at both demand levels. This D1 means demand level 1, D2 is demand level 2. Now here we talk about a left shift in demand. That means left shift in demand, that means decrease in demand. Demand is decreasing. So decreasing of demand can happen to few reasons. I will give you 2 examples. Due to decrease in consumer income, or else shift in consumer preference. Due to both of these reasons, demand can decrease. Now let's see what will happen to quantity and price when demand is decreasing. At demand level 1, quantity provided is, let's think it's 10. And the price is $2. And at demand 2, quantity decrease and price also decrease. Price also decrease. So when demand is shifting, demand curve is shift to the left, or demand is decreasing, both quantity and price decrease. So these A and B are equilibrium points. This A is the equilibrium point at demand level 1 with supply curve. Okay, now when the demand is decreasing, supply curve shift to the left. So the equilibrium point is shifting to the left because both quantity and price is decreasing. Now let's go to the second graph. Now here it talks about increase in demand. Okay, the supply is considered same at both levels. Now this is the previous demand, demand level 1. This is demand level 2. Okay. So at demand level 1, quantity 1, just assume it's quantity 5. And price 1, assume it's $1. Now the demand increase can happen due to income increase, consumer preference increase for some production. So it can be a reason to demand increase. Okay. So now when the demand increase, the quantity they produce, they increase. Okay. Quantity they buy increase, not the produce, because supply is the same. Quantity they buy increase, so suppliers can increase the price, so the sellers can increase the price. Okay, so now the equilibrium point shift from A to B. Okay, so when demand is increasing, there is a right shift of demand curve, right shift of demand curve, both quantity and price increase. Okay, now let's go to graph number C. Here we talk about supply change. Okay, supply, not demand. So now we assume demand is same. Demand is not shifting. Demand is same at both levels. So this is the first supply level. This is the second supply level. Now in the first supply level, quantity, let's assume quantity 5. Q1 quantity 5. Okay. Okay. And the price is $3. This is just an assumption. Now the supply increase, so we have more goods at market. So quantity become 10. Okay. And the price, because there is more goods in market, then the sellers, they cannot increase the price. They have to reduce the price. So the price is decreasing. When supply is increasing, price is decreasing. Okay, so there is, when supply is increasing, there is a right shift in supply curve. Now let's go to graph number D. So here we are talking about a left shift in supply or else decrease in supply. Okay. Now at level, supply level 1, quantity is 1. Supply level quantity is Q2. Just say they are supplying only 1. Okay. When there is more supply, the price is low. When there is less supply, price increase. So these equilibrium points shift to left. So when there is a decrease in supply, quantity is decreasing and price is increasing. Okay. When we go to case 3, when there is an increase in supply, the quantity is increasing and price is decreasing. And equilibrium points move to right. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to understand the graphs I mentioned in homework number 2.